Welcome back to our science class. In the previous lesson, we have studied about the flowers and fruits, seasonal flowers, seasonal fruits, and the food preparations which are made by the fruits, and largest flower, smallest flower, largest fruits. Everything we have learned in the previous lesson. So, in this lesson, let us learn about the plants around us. See, here we have a picture of plants. We see plants growing at different places, such as plains, deserts, hills, even in water. See here in this picture, which trees are grown in plains, which are grown in water, which are grown in desert, which plants are grown in hills. Everything we can identify by seeing this picture. Now we can say that the trees which are found on hills are called pine trees, and some trees are there in desert areas which is full of sand. Some plants are there in marshy areas, mangroves. Some trees are there in plain areas, and some plants are growing in water. So the place where a plant grows comfortably is called its habitat. So plants growing at different places are different in appearance and structure also. The place where a plant lives comfortably is called its habitat, and the plants which are growing at different places are different in appearance and structure. Now let us find out how plants found at different places differ from one another. See, terrestrial plants. Plants which grow on land are called terrestrial plants. There are many different types of terrestrial plants. Coming to the types of terrestrial plants, first one is plants of hills, plants of plains, plants of hot and wet regions, plants of marshy areas, and plants of deserts. All these plants, they grow on land, which are called as terrestrial plants. I told already the place where a living thing, either plant or animal, lives most comfortably is called its habitat, and the habitat is thus the natural home of a living thing. For example, the plants which grow on hills is the habitat of those plants. The plants which grow in plains is the habitat of those particular plants. So the habitat is thus the natural home of a living thing. So once again, let us see what are terrestrial plants. Plants which grow on land are called terrestrial plants. Coming to the types of terrestrial plants, plants of hills, plants of plains, plants of hot and wet regions, plants of marshy areas, and plants of deserts. Now, let us discuss the first type, plants of hills. See here, we have some pictures of trees which are grown on hills. Cedar, spruce, pine, deodar, and fir are some of the plants which grow on hills. And these plants, when we see, they are very tall and straight. Hills means usually the temperature will be low. So these trees grow at cold temperatures. And the plants are tall and straight, and generally they have a conical shape. If we observe the shape of these trees, they are conical shaped. These tall, straight and green conical trees make hills appear green and beautiful. So when you see the hills, usually they appear very beautiful because of the presence of these tall, straight and conical shaped trees. If you observe the leaves of these trees, the leaves are narrow and needle shaped. If you observe the leaves, they are narrow and needle shaped. We know that already the trees are conical shape, and the conical shape of these trees does not allow the snow to get deposited on them. In hilly areas, usually the snow is falling off always. Because of the presence of these needle shaped leaves, the snow, it cannot be deposited on the leaves, it will come down. So the conical shape of these trees does not allow the snow to get deposited on them. So they bear cones instead of flowers. Next, coming to the next type, plants of plains. See, here in this picture we can observe a plain area. Here so many plants are there, trees are there, and these trees possess branches, leaves, flowers, fruits, etc. And example for that type of trees are people, banyan, etc. And some more other trees also we can find, and some herbs, shrubs. So many plants we can observe on the plain areas or plains, and they grow into trees having many branches. Usually herbs, shrubs, trees and so many types of plants will be there, and they possess many branches. They give rise to flowers, fruits, etc. Coming to the next type, plants of hot and wet regions. See, here we have two types of trees. The first one is coconut tree, and trees like teak, rubber and coconut are found in hot and wet regions, and these are generally have a large number of leaves. These are generally have a large number of leaves. Mango tree also is there. It can be seen in plains and as well as hot and wet regions, and they have a large number of leaves, and when the leaves become old, they shed their leaves gradually, hence they are called as evergreen trees. They have a large number of leaves, and they shed their leaves gradually, so they are called as evergreen trees. Some other plants like pepper, cotton, rice, banana also grow in hot and wet regions. So these are the plants of hot and wet regions, and they have a large number of leaves. They shed their leaves gradually, so they are called as evergreen trees. And plants like pepper, cotton, rice, banana also grow in hot and wet regions. Now let us once see what we have studied. So we see many plants around us. Some plants will be in plains, some will be in water, some are in deserts, some on hilly areas, everywhere. So the place where a living thing lives most comfortably is called its habitat, and the habitat is the natural home of a living thing. And coming to the terrestrial plants, plants which grow on land are called terrestrial plants. Coming to the types of terrestrial plants, plants of hills, plants of plains, plants of hot and wet regions, plants of marshy areas, and plants of deserts. And coming to the plants of hills, cedar, pine, spruce, deodar, these are the some of the plants which grow on hills, and these plants are tall, straight and generally have conical shape. These tall, straight, green, conical trees make the hills appear green and beautiful. And their leaves are narrow and needle shaped. So the conical shape of these trees does not allow the snow to get deposited on them. They bear cones instead of flowers. And they live in cold temperatures. Second type is plants of plains, peepal, banyan, etc. And these plants they found in plains and they grow into trees having many branches. And some shrubs, herbs also will be growing in the plain areas. They give rise to flowers, fruits, etc. And the fruits bear seeds. Already you know that. And these seeds in turn grow into new plants. And next type is plants of hot and wet regions. Trees like teak, rubber, coconut, all these trees found in hot and wet regions. And these generally have a large number of leaves. Branches are there, so many large number of leaves also will be there. And after some days, these trees shed their leaves gradually, hence they are called as evergreen trees. And some more example of evergreen trees are plants of pepper, cotton, rice, banana, etc. So observe the video carefully, children. Learn the various points of different habitats of different plants, and I will tag the assignment to this. And after listening the video, you just write the assignment. Thank you.